think I need rest when I feel tired. I think I should drink when I feel thirsty. I think I sleep early when I feel sleepy. I think I go to the doctor when I feel sick. I think I stop working when I feel weak. I think I stay inside when it rains. I think I turn on the fan when it is hot. I think I use a blanket when it is cold. I think I stop when I see red light. I think I wait when the bus is late. I think I sit down when I feel dizzy. I think I eat when I feel hungry. I think I take medicine when I feel pain. I think I breathe slowly when I feel stress. I think I rest more when I feel tired. I think I call someone when I feel lonely. I think I smile when I see you. I think I relax when I hear music. I think I stay quiet when I feel calm. I think more when I feel unsure. I think I walk when the weather is nice. I think I sit here when I feel peaceful. I think I look outside, dines when I hear noise. I think I go home when it gets dark. I think I check the door when I leave home. I think I wear shoes when I go outside. I think I take time when I decide. I think I stop when I feel unsure. I think I try again when I fail. I think I continue when I feel better. I think I feel lonely when I sit alone. I think I miss home when I see photos. I think I feel calm when I close my eyes. I think I feel strong when I try again. I think I feel safe when I am home. I think I feel better when I talk. I think I feel warm when I remember you. I think I feel okay Asamkama. When I accept things. I think. I feel peaceful when I breathe slowly. I think. I feel hope when a new day starts. I think. I cook when I have time. I think. I clean when it is messy. I think. I wash dishes when I finish eating. I think. I take out trash when it is full. I think. I check time when I feel late. I think. I go shopping when I need food. Think. I pay with Sadanpasa when I am ready. I think. I leave when I finish. I think. I come back or run when I forget something. I think. I learn when I pray.